The SPI system is primarily positioned after the SMT solder paste printing process, used to assess the quality of solder paste printing. Solder paste thickness measurement employs non-contact laser 3D scanning with dense sampling technology to collect height-related data. During image capture, a piezo nanoposition stage is used to drive the grating to shift incrementally. Each movement triggers the capture of a set of images. Multiple image sets are ultimately synthesized to generate a thickness distribution map of the solder paste, thus enabling the monitoring of printing quality and reduction of product defect rates. The Korimoro nanopositioning stage utilizes a frictionless flexible hinge mechanism, enabling linear or multi-axis nano motion control. Sensors can be optionally added to achieve higher positioning accuracy. It has been widely used in fields such as interference, phase shifting, microscopic imaging, and optical inspection.